In the client section, we have a system that allows us to create guest logins for the clients so that they can directly access in an efficient and digitized way all the information about the work done for them. We can create guest logins both when creating a new client and when editing it. In this case, I'm going to edit this client. To create the guest login, we simply click on the Create Guest Login checkbox and select from the list of activities to which we want them to have access. That is, they will only be able to view the tasks that are connected to the activities that we choose here. When we save the client by clicking on the Save button on the toolbar, the login for the client is automatically created and the access details are sent in an email to both the client's email and our company's email. Once a login is created, we can edit the permissions by activities. For that, we must edit the client by clicking on the Edit button on the toolbar and then click on the Edit Guest Login for this client checkbox. After selecting the activities that we want them to have access to, we can save this information by clicking on the Save button on the toolbar. Once a login is created, we can also delete it completely. For that, we must edit the client by clicking on the Edit button in the toolbar and then click on Delete Guest Login for the client. The login is removed when we click on the Save button on the toolbar. It's important to understand that every time we click on Save to create, edit, or delete the guest login, we will also be saving any changes made to the data of the client. Also, only one guest login can be created per customer, and it can be edited, deleted, and created again as many times as required. Once we receive the login data, we access www.goviesmood.com/invitados.php or click on Sign in as guest on goviesmood.com and here we enter the ID, the username, and the password and click on Sign in as guest. GoviesMood for Guests offers a modified version of the client's task record. The guest can only see the tasks connected to the activities to which they have access. They can view the notes, report, and attachments associated with each task, but they cannot edit any information or delete the attachments. They can download or send work orders as long as there are notes and a report added, and they cannot see if the tasks are in follow-up state or the date and time in which they were attended.